In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to your Wix site. Adding customer reviews can significantly enhance your website by providing potential customers with valuable insights from past buyers and building trust in your brand. It's a fantastic feature to utilize if you're selling products or services, so let's dive right into how you can set this up on your Wix site. To get started, you'll want to make your way over to the App Market in Wix. This is your go-to place for discovering all sorts of tools and features that can extend the functionality of your site. When you're there, locate the search bar and type in Wix Reviews. Once you've found it, simply click Add to Site. This action will integrate the reviews application right into your website and will organize a few vital elements for you automatically. After adding Wix Reviews to your site, a couple of elements will appear that can greatly enhance user interaction. First off, there will be a review display section added beneath each product page. This is crucial because it gives your customers a clear, designated space to see what others have said about your products. Additionally, you'll have a Leave a Review button. This makes it easy for users to submit their own feedback, contributing to a growing pool of testimonials and ratings that new visitors can rely on. Furthermore, a product rating summary with stars will be available, providing a quick visual overview of how well the product is rated overall. These visual cues can be powerful in influencing purchasing decisions. Once these elements are in place, it's time to head to your site's dashboard to refine your review settings. Click on Reviews from the dashboard, where you'll have various options to customize the reviewing process. You can edit the review form fields, allowing you to tailor this section to gather the most relevant information for your products or services. It might be useful to control the tone and detail of feedback you receive by deciding which fields are necessary for your purpose. Another useful feature is the ability to set moderation on reviews. This gives you control over which reviews are posted publicly. You can approve each review before it appears on your site, ensuring that feedback is genuine and appropriate. Moreover, you have the option to configure whether or not you'd like to send automatic review request emails after a purchase. Automated requests can help gather more reviews, as they remind your customers to share their experiences. However, choose what works best for your marketing strategy and audience. Lastly, it's important to ensure that the reviews align with your overall site design. You can customize how reviews are displayed and designed on your product pages via the Wix Editor or Studio. This step allows you to match the aesthetics of your current site layout, ensuring a consistent and professional appearance across your website. And there you have it. With these steps, your Wix site will be boosted with an effective reviews feature that not only benefits your customers, but can also enhance your online reputation. Thanks for watching, and happy reviewing.